Welcome back to the ranch. Today we're making breakfast nachos. Let's go. All right, now I have my chorizo on the grill. You get what you pay for with chorizo. Don't buy that cheap stuff. This is chorizo San Manuel, and this stuff is actually got meat to it. So try that, and we're just gonna scramble these eggs, and we are making nachos. Now that we've cooked off the chorizo and the eggs, I guess we should call these Texas nachos, right? Anyway, we're gonna put the nachos in this tray. We're gonna add the eggs, add the chorizo to it, and then we're gonna put the cheese on it. We'll put it back on the flat top to melt the cheese. It's gonna be good, easy to make at home. These are looking good. All right, just gonna add the cheese as our final step. I like a lot of cheese on my nachos. Put these back on the smoker. We're gonna dome them, tent them, and they should be ready in about 5 minutes. Breakfast nachos, made outside on the grill. Enjoy it.